Hello Smartians. Do you know the smartData's mantra for 2019? It's big collaboration. And big collaboration has happened recently in our concluded BPP workshop, which was taken by our CEO, Mr. Ajay. It was an eye-opening session. It was an eye-opening workshop, and it has been a lifelong learning that how we have to understand the why of a business. The parameters which were discussed in the workshop were something which I have never thought how a business can be envisioned. I would like to thank smartData management for giving me an opportunity to be the part of this workshop and enhance my knowledge in terms of business. My message to Smartians is that if you really want to be on the top or you want to reach the pinnacle, you must collaborate with each other and try to be the part of such initiatives taken by the management. Thank you.